In this video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay two charts in TradingView so you can compare them on one screen. Watch until the end to make your chart comparison easier. Let's get started. Go to tradingview.com and sign in your account. Make sure your account is verified for full features. Go to the product section at the top. This will open a drop-down of TradingView tools. In the drop-down menu, choose Super Charts. This will take you to the main charting platform. Go to the search bar at the top left to choose your first crypto or coin for the first layout. This will be your base chart. Search the crypto or coin you want, then click it to display it on the chart. This will automatically load the candles for that symbol. Go to the plus button at the top right corner of the chart. This lets you add another symbol to overlay. Search again for the crypto or coin you want for the second layout, then click it. This adds the new chart on top of the first one. Now you can see two different layouts. You can customize the second chart by clicking it and selecting candles to match it with the first chart. This makes the comparison clearer and cleaner. And that's how to overlay two charts in TradingView. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!